back to Power Packs, our educational video series. I'm Rachel, and today we will be demonstrating how to properly change doctor blades. Doctor blades are used to contain the ink being supplied to the anilox roll. After printing for an extended period of time, the blades will eventually wear out. This is a normal part of the printing process, and if not done correctly, can cause significant downtime and ink loss. Before starting this process, you should wear cut-proof gloves. After removing the chamber from the press, the first step is to take off the containment blade clamp. Loosen the clamp knobs along the entire chamber and set the clamp aside. Remove the containment blade, which is typically mylar or plastic. Next, remove the metering blade clamp in the same manner and set that clamp aside as well. Then remove the old metering blade and dispose of it properly. After that, remove both of the end seal clamps and the old end seals, and make sure to dispose of them properly as well. Next, use solvent to wipe down the chamber. Clean off the ink inside the chamber and the clamps. After everything is cleaned, put a layer of petroleum jelly on the clamp rails. This helps the blade stick down and makes it easier to assemble. The next step is to install the blades. Remember, the blades are sharp, so please use caution. For safety reasons, you should install the blade farthest from you first. It is very important to position the metering and containment blades correctly. Keep in mind that the metering blade is always the last blade to contact the roll before the ink transfers to the plate. So if the deck is on the downside, the metering blade should be placed on the bottom of the chamber. When installing the blades, the foam tape should be face down and in contact with the chamber. If your blade does not have foam tape, the machined edge of the metering blade should always face the inside of the chamber. Make sure the blades are centered correctly. You can use the blade clamps as a guide. Tighten the clamp from the middle to the outside so you do not get waves in the blade. Do these same steps for the other blade. Then brush some petroleum jelly on the sides. This will seal the cavity and prevent any ink overflow. Always use new end seals for every blade change. Tuck the seal under and push it into place. Finally, lock the end seal into place with the end clamp, and repeat this for the other end seal. Now you have a completed doctor chamber assembly. A quick way to verify if it was done correctly is looking at the blades from the side. The blades should be straight with no waves. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future Power Packs. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.